हाँ जी बिल्कुल, मेले की रौनकें आपको हम दिखा रहे हैं और इस वक्त बहुत बड़ी तादाद में एम्बेसडर्स जो पाकिस्तान में तैनात हैं वो भी आए हमारे साथ। टर्किश एम्बेसडर मौजूद है, उनकी वाइफ मौजूद है और टर्किश एम्बेसडर आज पाकिस्तानी ड्रेस में बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं और उनको रवायती कुल्ला भी पहनाया गया। एम्बेसडर, व्हाट्स योर थॉट ऑन दिस कल्चरल एक्टिविटी? इंडिजिनस गेम्स इन पाकिस्तान आर नाउ promoting again.
Yeah, congratulations to Mr. Sadar Yasir Ilyasan, first of all. Very nice activity also for us. First time I participate such a festival, very nice festival, to introduce Pakistan to the whole world. We will share, inshallah. On the other hand, between Turkey and Pakistan, we are trying to develop cooperations in all fields, especially in culture and tourism. So these kind of cultural activities, joint cultural activities, we want to organize in Pakistan and Turkey, inshallah.
Horse sports is also very famous in Turkey as well. Do you have sports like tent pegging in Turkey?
We have some similar sports we have, but in Pakistan, cricket is the most famous one. In Turkey, football. But recently, we have also cricket teams. We start to play cricket. Very soon, hope we will play together, inshallah.
We have a lot of commonalities in culture. How to enhance Turkish tourism to attract Pakistan?
That's also on our agenda. Yani we must Pakistan culturally, historically, very rich country, very beautiful places to visit, but we must advertise them in Turkey. Now we are having meetings with the Turkish tourism companies and the Pakistani as well to bring more tourists to Turkey. But in social media, in normal media, TVs, we must advertise them, inshallah. With regard to the commonality, yes, Turkey, Pakistan, we don't have only common history, common culture, common religion, even in language. We have many common words. We are our hearts beating together. That's the difference of Turkey-Pakistan brotherhood.
Who choose your attire, Pakistani attire? You look fabulous in this.
I think today I am the only 100% Pakistani here.
You look a Pakistani family elder today.
Hmm?
You look like a Pakistani family elder today.
I am also Pakistani, Turkish and Pakistani. I love this country. I love these people. We are brothers.
Thank you very
We are
much.
working not only for Turkey, for Pakistan as well.
Thank you very much.